What's up, everybody? Welcome in. Today I want to show you a different video. I'm going to show you a video on how to install keyboard sliders for your home studio desk. So I'm going to give you some tips on how you can install a keyboard slider for a studio desk where you can put a MIDI controller underneath your desk. The first thing you want to consider is the size of your shelf or tray, and that's going to be determined based on the size of your desk. I went with a 36-inch board, which fits nicely under my desk. I chose to mount the sliders to the board first because I felt that would be easier for installation. Tip number one is going to be check the thickness of your board and use shorter screws if needed. The screws that come with the sliders are all the same size. And for my board, these are too long, so if I were to use them, they would protrude out of my board. I'll show you what I mean. I don't know if you guys could see that, but even with the sliders connected, the tip would still stick up significantly. So I can't use these for mounting my sliders to my board. So what I ended up doing is finding shorter screws, and I went with those instead. Tip number two is going to be adjusting this bracket here. So you're going to want to adjust it so that your MIDI controller will fit, and you'll be able to slide it in and out from under your desk without hitting your desk. In my case, I had to move this up 2 slots, and there's a set screw that you just unscrew, and then you can move the bracket up and set it back into place. All right, and tip number 3 is going to be marking the middle of your board so that you could center it to the middle of your desk. If I zoom in, I got a little pencil mark right there, and that's approximately lined up with the middle of my desk. I will adjust that slightly so that's completely centered. What's going to help you out a lot here, I'll zoom out, is if you have some clamps, go ahead and clamp your board to your desk. What that's going to allow you to do then is going to allow you to mark your holes on the underside of your desk, which is going to make it a lot easier for you to then put your screws in and install the sliders. All right, everybody, here is the fully realized finished keyboard slider. All the way out and all the way in. Got value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe. Thanks.